Welcome to Monkey Love Travel. I am your host, Jason, and in today's episode, we're going to give you our cruise essentials for you first time travelers. These are things that we felt made our cruise experience that much better. They're simple items that you can find pretty much anywhere, either Amazon or your local dollar store or a Five Below if you have one of those in your area. We've put all these items on our website. I'll leave the description. I'll leave the link to the description in the description below. Sorry. And if you feel that any of these items will benefit you, please give us a comment down below. And let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, welcome back, guys. We're going to start off with the big ticket item. This is a 4-piece item listed on the website on Amazon. It's the Cool Life hard shell, obviously this beautiful blue. Super lightweight, rolls pretty nicely. Got a nice extendable handle. Different levels on that handle. Nice little rollers down here. And then we can probably even open it up for you. Show you that lock while we're opening it up. TSA lock, so they can get into it if they need to.
You have to put the code in and do it, or?
Yeah, you would have to put the code in to make sure you can lock and unlock, but that's okay for now. Go ahead and open it up. As you can see, they nest inside of one another for easy storage when you get back. You got the garment side, so you got the latches here.
Adjustable.
The zipper side.
Okay.
Now this one here is the 24-inch. The one that came out of it was the 20-inch. The 20-inch is perfect for carry-on on airlines. Again, super lightweight. We love them. The bright blue stands out, so they're easy to spot. And then we have the big Mama Jamma, the 28-inch.
Also super light.
That's for all my wife's stuff. We don't need to open that one up, but yeah. And there you have it. That's the Cool Life. Again, we'll have it listed on the website for you, so you can go over and take a look at it. Okay, all right. Next item up is going to be the toiletry bag. This thing is pretty cool. It's by Bag Smart. Nice zippers. Nice thing about this one is as it opens up, it unfolds. Yep, and you can see inside. My wife stores all of her makeup for when she's traveling. Hang it up in the bathroom or the closet.
Those zips.
And then it closes up nicely. Folds up. Hook hides in. And there you have it.
It fits much more than this.
All right, we'll move to the next item. The storage cubes, packing cubes. If I'm not mistaken, there was 8 of these in a package. Now, we did not use all of them on our last trip. But you can see, pretty straightforward. They're great for organizing your items.
Several kinds. There's 2 versions of this one. 3 similar. They also, one of the things I liked is that they have handles too. For the other kinds, ones that do not have mesh on the front, there are another one This one's it's men's toiletry. I believe this is probably designed for. Definitely designed more for women's toiletries and makeup and hair items. Zip pouch.
And this looks like that one's a shoe bag.
Yes, which is definitely handy for us.
All right, perfect. I'll have a link to all these items on our Cruise Essentials list on our website. Feel free to stop by, take a look. We have additional items on there as well. Now, these are items that we absolutely love. You may not love them, but we do. Next up, we are going to be some compression bags.
Real quick, multiple sizes. We do not use any of the large sizes. We tend to use mostly the smaller sizes.
And the bigger you are, the more air you can get out of them.
Yes, these don't require vacuums. They're just put your clothes in,
seal it, and then roll out that air. All right, next up are going to be the luggage tags. These are critical. This one comes 5 in a pack. As you can see, we used them all. The cables are great. They're little metal cables. You just wrap them around your handle of your bag. That way your porters can know exactly where to take your luggage. And please, always tip your porters. Nothing fancy. When you get your documents, your travel documents, you'll be able to print out all the luggage tags. Just insert them into the bags. They got folding instructions on the paper itself. Pretty easy. All right, so you're a first-time cruiser. Some people don't know that the walls inside of your cabin are all made of metal. So we bring these clips that have magnets on the back, and then we have all of these hooks rated for different weights. Some are 14 pounds, some are 27 pounds, and you can hang them from the walls, the ceiling. You can hang them in the bathroom. They're absolutely fantastic. We will not cruise without them.
I don't think I'll do anything in life without them anymore.
We were able to hang any wet clothing in the bathroom, let it dry off. These little clips are great for if you want to hang up your documentation on the wall. Just be able to have them real easy. The other thing we use the hooks for are these storage organizers that you can hang on the wall as well. Just to help with your toiletries or just anything in general to keep organized and up off the floor. Space is limited in the cabin, so
they were great in bathrooms, outside bathroom doors, by your bed if you.
I believe we even had one in the closet, right?
I did. Yep, I did. I put the large one in the closet. There's a large one that comes with it that we utilized in the closet for shoes. I believe socks went in here. Anything that maybe you want to organize in greater detail in your closet. And the closet walls are also magnetic. Then there's also these smaller ones that were really handy, especially in the bathroom.
And they take up very little space in your luggage. And a lot of people wonder, why do you bring all that stuff? Well, they take up so much, little space. It's almost trivial, especially with the magnets here. If you're bringing some sort of tumbler, you can't take any liquids on the ship with you. Mm-hmm. They're going to make you dump it out at the port. Just put your hooks and your magnets in your cup, and really easy to travel that way. Okay, first foremost, when you get on the ship, once you get to your room, you're going to get your SeaPass card. Your SeaPass card is basically your credit card and everything else. It's your lifeline on the ship. You can see good lanyard will do you good. This one actually detaches so you can hand it over to your favorite bartender. And he gives it right back, snaps right on. I actually prefer a different style lanyard. As you can see, this one here, I just think it's cooler. That's all. No real reason. It shortens. It's adjustable. You can go to guest services and actually have them put a little hole right there on your card for you. That way you can hook it in and it just dangles like that. I wore it in the pool, everything. Okay, our next item is our dry bag. We actually love this. We use it when we go on any excursion that's going to be involving water. Keep your phone dry. Keep anything you need absolutely dry. You can wear it as a crossed body bag. Unsnaps. This one here is actually the 10 liter, so it's fairly sizable. And you can see as my wife is unrolling it, it's pretty big. Pretty deep. Put all your stuff on in it.
Hold it.
It was perfect at perfect Coco K. The perfect day with the perfect dry bag. Roll it up. And then all you have to do is snap the two ends together. And there you have it. Perfect. All right, next items. You're going to want these for your cabin. Say hello to the cat. There you go. You're going to want these for your cabin, especially on some of your older ships where they don't have a lot of outlets. You're going to have a Euro plug here. You can see the back end of it. It's just two prongs. That's your Euro plug. It's got USB, a regular outlet, and then a USB-C on there. Yep. And then the other one is your standard US adapter, USBs, and your standard plugs.
This charged everything super fast.
Yep, super fast. With your older ships, they will not have any outlets near your bed. So if you have a CPAP or anything like that, you're going to want to make sure you request an extension cord. And you're going to run that extension cord all the way, basically halfway around the room. And these plugs are going to do a great job in allowing that to happen. Okay, next up, we have our power packs. Can't go anywhere without being able to charge up your device fully. We got these on sale on Amazon. There's two of them. I believe they were $25 for both. I couldn't find the link, so we put on a different power bank that already has all the cables attached to it. But these are rated for, I think you get 3 full charges out of them. Super lightweight. I think we only used half of one. We took both, but we only needed half power, and that was for both of our phones. Okay, we like to take some music with us, so we got this little JBL Bluetooth. It's got a hook on it. It's waterproof, so take it to the beach, take it in the shower, have some fun. And all you do, push button connect, on, off, and it's done. It'll actually chart. There you go. Right now. There we go. Don't want to get any copyright laws there.
I turned it off anyway.
All right, there you have it. That's our Bluetooth. We love it. I think it was $30 on Amazon. Next up is our portable fan. We actually did not need this on our last trip, but sometimes you might. You might want to move that air around. Maybe it's feeling a little stale in your cabin. This little USB powered fan has 3 speeds and stands up on its own.
And we have never charged it since, and it's still at apparently 100%.
There we go. And it gets pretty. It's pretty good. It really blows.
Oh.
Yeah. Chase the cat away. There we go. Okay, the next item is, we actually love this for our door. We would leave notes for our room attendant, our room steward, I'm sorry. as you can see, we didn't erase it.
It's still in there.
Zadwa was our room attendant on Vision of the Seas. She was absolutely the best. We had a long conversation with her. She has traveled all over the world, seen some very, very beautiful places, had
Over
some
20
very
years.
unique 23 years, right? Over 23
So.
years. Absolutely amazing. If you ever see Zadwa, tell her Jason and Becca said hi.
And she would leave notes back for us too if she needed to let us know something.
We got a couple inappropriate notes late at night,
Oh, it
but
was
we
once.
quickly
It was only
erased
once.
that.
Not from her.
Not from her. Not from her. No, no.
From whoever knows.
And there you have it. Okay, if you're someone who gets motion sick, then you're going to want to make sure you have some of these with you. You got motion sickness relief tablets or Dramamine. This is just the generic here. And then you have all these motion sick patches. You just stick them behind your ear. And we actually saw a lot of people wearing them. I didn't think it got all that bad. We had beautiful weather our entire last trip, so I didn't feel like we needed them. But it's better to have them and not need them than need them and not have them. Next items here are, the good faithful Tide pen. You get a stain, it's going to save your life.
Definitely.
Yeah, these here, as some of you may know, but some of you new cruisers don't, laundry services are kind of expensive. We found these on Amazon, and you can literally just pour them in your sink, add water, and wash about maybe 2-3 items per pack, then rinse them out, then hang them up on your trusty little hooks from the ceiling. The next thing every wife wants to have,
Absolutely.
for their husband,
most cruise essential item right here.
just a little spray in the toilet before you go, does wonders. The next thing everybody should have, the Downy wrinkle release. You can't take any steamers. You can't take an iron. This is going to be your best friend to get the wrinkles out. My suggestion is spray them down when you get into the cabin after you've unpacked. Hang them up on your hooks. Turn the water in the shower up to the high heat, the hot side, and then just close the door. Next day, a lot of the wrinkles. I'm not going to say it's perfect by any means,
depending on the fabric.
Depending on the fabric, but it did a great job. And then the next thing, kind of keep you healthy, prevent sickness. Your Lysol. The sprays. One of the first things we did when we got into the cabin was basically spray all the handles down and then wipe all the surfaces down, just for that extra protection. It's not going to hurt, and they take up so little room. And then if you want to be able to drink from your wine, and it's a cork, you better bring a little cork opener. Cork opener? Corkscrew and bottle opener.
Because we did not.
We did not. So we actually bought this when we were on an excursion in Bermuda. $2. Or if you need to go to the bar, they're gonna charge you a $15 uncorking fee plus tip. So, well, we hope you've enjoyed our cruise essentials list. Again, we'll have everything posted on the website. All you have to do is check the links out, and they'll give you the prices. Some have changed since we've posted them. They are pretty much all Amazon. No, as a matter of fact, they are all Amazon. We do get a small commission if you buy through our links, but that's certainly up to you. If you found this video helpful and informative, if you could please hit that like and subscribe button, we would greatly appreciate it, and we will see you next time.